Welcome to another Evo. Last time we showed you an Evo 9 with heavy corrosion on the rear chassis and the floor. This Evo is not much better. Let's have a look. On the chassis they corrode quite heavily, you can see here with the subframe mounts and along there that all breaks up when they start to rust. This car had an impact on the left rear wheel. Probably hit a curb very hard. I'm going to show you what happens when they get damaged like that. Here you'll see the subframes that you push right into the chassis. It's all cracked through, and this upper toe arm here has actually snapped off the chassis completely. That's why on an Evo you must make sure that the chassis rails and the underside of the car is solid, otherwise everything is like cardboard on these.